we need to do this Corbin and old school door closer. Take out the device real quick. See it? It is right there. I've already taken its little top cam piece off, and it'll come all off in one go. It's a series of pieces all on the top. This is its spring, and it's all covered in this really black oil. It smells really nasty, and what that's from, of course, is it's ruptured its seal right there, and it's leaked all its oil from right here into the top of the door closer. So I've taken its end cap off. So number 3, Corbin Rust one. This is the single stage valve. A lot of them will have a dual stage. This is the single, and it was on this giant corner bracket that I've taken it off. And of course, this is the arm. It says Corbin, New Britain, Connecticut, regular. A lot of times these will be stamped with a 1910. That's when the patent was applied for, and possibly when they were produced. It was really odd. They were in there with these 1024 screws. Usually they'll be quarter 20. This was 1024 for some reason. But anyway, I'm gonna pause the video real quick and get this tool. They'll fit under over this gland nut right here. Hold on. Alrighty, these are my old ancient antique tools. It's just like a big socket with a key already on it, and they're marked, if you can see that, G3. That coincides with the size 3 door closer. It started right on there. Bam, on that nut. And we're gonna get a little cheater on this one, and it's just a piece of pipe to increase the leverage. Here. Okay, ready? Go. That was real easy. I'm gonna get off of there for the thread end. We're gonna I wish I could record smells, because this really does not smell very good. Smells good to some people, I suppose, but there is our pinion and our gland. We'll have to lock it into this other vise and take a little tap-rooney and get it out of there. But you can see it working right there. It's very nasty and very dirty. So here comes the piston assembly, and it'll have a double rack on it. A double rack is, I mean, a rack on either side, like here, if you can see that. And that pinion works just in there, and that's to make it either a lefty or a righty. Lefty or righty. And I'm just going to leave this valve right in here. Of course, you can see the nasty ooze coming out of it. I'm going to run some solvent in here and get it all cleaned up, and then I'll resume the video from there. Oh dang, now how do I pause with my, I have to just burn a glove. Alright, video pause.